Okay, so this is for Breanna. This is converting Fahrenheit to Kelvin. And we've got the formula that will take us from Fahrenheit to Celsius and the formula that will take us from Celsius to Kelvin. So we're going to use both formulas in this problem. So we start off with 19.5 degrees Fahrenheit that has no zeros in it. So that means that all three digits are significant digits. And then first we use our Fahrenheit to Celsius formula from up here. And so we're going to plug in that 19.5 degrees Fahrenheit right here. So 19.5 equals 1.8 C plus 32. We want to get the C, or the Celsius, by itself. And it is added to 32. So the first thing we're going to do is subtract 32 from both sides. 19.5 minus 32 is negative 12.5. And then 32 minus 32 is 0, so that cancels out. 0 plus 1.8 degrees Celsius is 1.8 degrees Celsius. Okay, we still need to get Celsius by itself, and it's multiplied by 1.8, so the opposite of multiplication is division. The next thing we're going to want to do is divide both sides by 1.8. So 1.8 divided by itself is 1, and 1 times Celsius is Celsius. And then negative 12.5 divided by 1.8 is negative 6.94. It's actually negative 6.94 repeating. Alright, so now we've got negative 6.94 degrees Celsius, but they asked for Kelvin. So we're going to write down the Kelvin formula here, and we're going to plug this degrees Celsius into this degrees Kelvin, into this C. So negative 6.94 plus negative 6.94 plus 273.15. And so you put that in the calculator, you get 266.21 Kelvin. But we had three significant figures, so we underline 1, 2, 3, and this is where we need to stop. So we look to the right to see if this 2 is big enough for us to move the 6 up to 7, and it is not, because 2 is less than 5. So 266 Kelvin is our answer, which has three significant digits.